I'm going to discuss with you the role of the protected areas and the preservation of sustainable development in the Amazonia according with the Sustainable Development Objectives approved in 2015 by the UN, and that uh, the Foundation for Sustainable Amazon is impulsing to put on in the Amazon. I'm going to mention not all, but some of the goals and how the protected areas can help to put on the Sustainable Development Goals in the Amazon. The first two goals of Sustainable Development talk about the end of poverty in all its forms and to end hunger and achieve alimentary security. How can a protected area can support the Amazon to achieve these goals? Well, the way that they can support is achieving the integration of the Amazon communities in and out of the protected area, and how these communities can use in a rational and sustainable way the resources that are in this protected area. For example, the research of plants of the Amazon ecosystems and their sustainable use and the active principles, and educating the society in the use of these native plants for medicines and food purposes. As well, the third objective of sustainable development talks about the guarantee a healthy life and promote the wellness for all people of all ages, and as well to guarantee an inclusive, equal, and quality education and promote opportunities of learning during life of all people. The protected areas are places of preservation and education, and allow society areas of relaxation and encounter with the spirituality and ethical value of a healthy life. The protected areas must include in their development benefits for the communities that are in their surroundings or that live in them, to support the education and the benefits that they have. And as well, the protected area can impose so that the people get education and prevent the deforestation. Another of the goals of sustainable development talks about guarantee water availability and sustainable management and sanitary conditions for all. The Amazon ecosystems guarantee the availability of water and are water purifiers for cities. We need to have clear that where there is a forest, there is water. Another goal say, for example, that promote economic, sustained, inclusive, and sustainable growth, productive and decent jobs for everyone. Well, the integration of the Amazon communities to the protected areas and the benefits they provide, such as sustainable tourism, micro-business of the products derived from active principles of plants, are very important situations and may contribute to promote the sustained economic growth and activities such as mining and the extraction of gas and petroleum. As well, the goals are looking to build resilient infrastructures, and the past in the Amazon have industries based in small and medium scale of the products like fish, like medicine, like cosmetics, and the yuca and the cassava are an innovative research could be done in the protected areas. Another sustainable development goal is to make cities human settlements inclusive, secure, resilient, and sustainable. The past in the Amazonian may and should be centers of diffusion and training in order that the cities to be sustainable and develop in harmony with the ecosystem. As well, the objective looks for a guarantee of consumption modalities and sustainable productions. The protected areas in the Amazonia, in their communication and educational strategies toward Amazon societies, should integrate training and local activities of production and sustainable consumption. And another important goal is to adopt urgent actions to combat climate change and its effects. Protected areas of the Amazon are drains of carbon which help mitigate climate change. Protected area of the Amazon help reduce vulnerability of the watersheds in the Amazon, and as well offer ecological services such as saving water resources through the protection of watersheds, mitigation, and adapting to climate change, as well as its richness in other biological, economic, cultural, and spiritual values. The sustainable goals as well talk about protect, reestablish, and promote the sustainable use of land, ecosystem, sustainable management of forests, fight against desertification, stop and invert land degradation, and stop loss of biological diversity. Protected area of the Amazon are the ideal in this essential role in saving the rich biological diversity and unique as well of the Amazon. Protected areas modalities include from total protection to sustainable use, support this objective of the sustainability. As well, Another objective say that promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development to facilitate the access to justice for all and create efficient institutions responsible and inclusive at all levels. Protected areas play an essential role in the development of their societies in a way they use the resources of the ecosystem in a rational and economically sustainable way, not allowing extensive deforestation with cattle or mining processes. And finally, uh, the sustainable goals talk about strengthening the execution action of the World Alliance of Sustainable Development. The Amazon countries as a whole may provide, along with their cities, communities, and protected areas, many good practices to strengthen the World Alliance of Sustainable Development. And really, the foundation for Sustainable Amazon is trying to put together all the countries of the Amazon to do specific actions toward the achievement of the development goals.